ਦਾਸ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਸਮੂਹ ਅਕਾਲ ਚੈਨਲ ਦੇ ਸਰੋਤਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਦਾਸ ਸਿੱਖ ਮਿਸ਼ਨ ਸੁਸਾਇਟੀ ਦੇ ਸੇਵਾਦਾਰ ਹਰਚੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਟੌਂਕ ਆਪ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ ਵਰਲਡ ਜੋ ਕੋਵਿਡ-19 ਉਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੋਈ ਇਨਫੋਰਮੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੇਣੀ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਨ। ਵਰਲਡ ਹੈਲਥ ਆਰਗੇਨਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ declared the outbreak of COVID-19 pandemic on 11th March 2020 and the British government declared lockdown on 23rd of March 2020. This lockdown affected the lives of everyone. According to government figures, community most affected was BAME, South Asian community. Everyone's daily routine completely changed. Instead of going for a walk in the morning, meeting friends and relatives, doing shopping, all this suddenly changed. Due to government restrictions, strict guidelines of wearing masks, keeping a distance, and washing hands more frequently, especially the sick old people felt very isolated. Their visits to Gurdwara stopped, because Sikh Gurdwaras are not only a place of worship, but also community places where people meet, mingle, and share their views with each other. The elders of the community, due to the language problem, they found it difficult to understand government guidelines. They did not have access to genuine information, and they felt left out and isolated. Sikh Mission Society realized the need to provide a simple and authentic information for the elderly people. Sikhs believed in Sarbat da Bhala. Every Sikh, every day, in their daily prayer, they wish for the welfare of everyone. Sabbe Sanji Val Sadan Koinu Disse Varajiyo. To reaffirm this spirit of Chardi Kala and Sarbat da Bhala in the community, Sikh Missionary Society planned to publish a publication to provide genuine information to the people. I am glad to inform the Sangat that Sikh Missionary Society received funding from National Lottery Community Fund for the publication of this project titled Health Resilience publication. This publication will be in English and Punjabi and will provide every piece of information regarding COVID-19, along with government health department medical advice and other government directions. Bibi Kinpreet Kaur, who gives lecture on a car channel every Sunday at 7:15, is helping Sikh Mission Society to complete this project. Along with the medical advice, the publication will provide advice on health, including mental, spiritual, and physical well-being, how to keep fit by doing simple exercises, eating good healthy food, and spiritually by reciting Gurbani. Sarv Rog Ka Aukhad Naam, Turki Bani Aaye Jin Sagri Jint Mitai. ਅਤੇ ਨਾਮ ਔਖੜ ਜੇ ਹਿਰਦੇ ਵਸਾਏ ਹਿਤਾਏ ਤਾਹੇ ਰੋਗ ਸੁਪਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਏ। ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਸਮੱਸਿਆ ਦਾ ਹੱਲ ਹੈ ਗੁਰਬਾਣੀ ਨਾਲ ਜੁੜਨਾ। This is a community project. So we want the community to be part of this as well. For this, we invite you to send your COVID-19 related experiences, how your life changed with lockdown restrictions, how has it affected your mental, physical health, how you managed to deal with this, how are you dealing with the lockdown period. You can share your experiences through story, essay, painting, or photographs. We invite you to send your experiences for publication in this magazine. By 10th of March, you can send all your experiences, which I have just declared, on by 10th of March. And you can send this either to me at email hst1938@gmail.com, or you can send this directly to Kenpreet Kaur at kpkaur629@gmail.com. I repeat again, you can send these stories, your experiences, to Kenpreet Kaur at kpkaur629@gmail.com. This publication will be distributed in West London Gurdwaras, hospitals, surgeries and care homes. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. I hope this information will give you good guidelines. ਅਤੇ ਅੰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਦਾਸ ਅਕਾਲ ਚੈਨਲ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਧੰਨਵਾਦੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਮੈਸੇਜ ਸੰਗਤਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਟਾਈਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।